how to log into Bumble account or sign into your Bumble dating app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can log into your Bumble account or sign into your Bumble dating app, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to sign into your Bumble account, first of all just make sure to open your Play Store, search for Bumble, and then make sure that you've either downloaded or updated the Bumble app to the latest version. Once you've done this process, I want you to simply open it up. You're going to see this type of interface over here. Now if you already have an account, you can choose to continue right with your Facebook account, or you can choose to simply select use mobile number option and just select the mobile number that you'd like to use. Tap on the OK option. It will send a verification code to that number, so make sure that you have access to it. Once the verification code is complete, you can also enable your location services and just tap on accept. And then here, if you don't have an account with this number, it will ask you to simply go ahead and then basically enter the name. Tap on the next option, add some of your photos, and then you'll be successfully signed in or create your Bumble account. This way you can log into Bumble account. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.